new MantisPod is here. This time it is CapLock MantisPod Power. With a favorite action camera, I have just the right gear for you. Let's have fun with CapLock MantisPod Power. So what's so special about the brand new MantisPod Power? Well, can you see this cable? You take it out, so you get a very nice string. You can charge up your action camera while you're on the go. You can see it charging with the red indicator even when the camera is switched off. So inside there is 5000 mAh battery, so which means you can actually charge up about 2.5 times your action camera. So that's totally enough for the entire day, even more than a day worth of shooting. The next big upgrade is this magnetic remote control. This is now more powerful than the predecessor, so I just take it out. This automatically links with my Insta360, and of course there's a version for GoPro, so you have no problem. Whatever action camera you have, you're completely ready with the Pgytech MantisPod Power. And this remote control is so powerful, it can go up to 10-meter range. Of course, you're not gonna go more than that because you don't want to leave your expensive gear long distance away. But this is powerful enough to go up to 10 meters. So let me do a little setup as a MantisPod should. So here is the setup. So now I'm going to walk away about 10 meters and see if it works. So right now it's recording me. Okay. So I think this is about 10 meters. Yeah, it works. Okay. I've turned it back on and now I'm gonna walk further down. Now this is like definitely more than 10 meters. And yep, it works totally fine. So just now I walked about more than 20 meters roughly, and this remote control is really powerful despite the size. Another great way for me to use this remote control is actually just put it back in. Oh, by the way, this is metallic, so it's very strong. So I just need to put it back and just use it like this. And this is definitely more convenient than pressing the button up on the camera. So this grip feels really natural. I can take a photo like this. The location of the remote control here, it's just so natural. Once I grip it, the thumb is here and there are just 3 buttons, super easy. The shutter button, I've already shown you guys, I've used it plenty. And there is a mode button. So from picture, so right now is the picture mode. I'm not sure if you can see, but right now, yes, I'm on the picture mode. And once I press the mode, then it goes into the video mode. For CapLock MantisPod Power, there is GoPro edition and Insta360 edition. For me, I'm using Insta360 Ace Pro. So the remote control can control a lot of the features for a specific action camera. Once paired, the remote control automatically connects to my camera. And by pressing the mode button on the left, I can change the shooting mode within the camera. The big shutter button helps me record or shoot the video. And if I quickly press the power button, it puts Insta360 Ace Pro into sleep mode. But if I long press, then it will turn off the camera completely. And then if I press power button one more time, then the remote control can wake up the camera. Even though when the camera is switched off, I actually let the remote control switched on for the entire day because this remote control, once fully charged, and it only takes about an hour to charge the full thing, once it's charged, then it can last up to 25 hours. With MantisPod Power, there are 4 different modes of shooting. The first is the iconic Mantis mode. And it is so handy, I can put it even on a chair in a cable car. I can go completely hands-free and carefree. Next is the handheld mode, the most convenient mode. I can just hold it and frame it anywhere. Of course, the action camera will capture the wide surrounding, like showing the crystal cabin of this cable car. The crystal cabin, crazy! And shooting a photo in this mode, because there's a remote control for this CapLock MantisPod Power, it is so convenient. The tripod mode is great for food vlogging, product review, and even for me just capturing the wide surrounding hands-free. And with a little bit of twist, you can get into the briefcase mode. So you can actually hold everything very low rise, giving a very interesting perspective. This would be really handy if you're, behind a skateboarder or some other action shots. And all I need to do is press the shutter here and it stops recording. So by now, I'm sure you guys know the name of this device, CapLock MantisPod Power. Why is it called CapLock? It also adapts the CapLock system by Pgytech. So I can actually take this off, and this bottom adapter here, which you can easily take off. So this adapter here, you can use it to other system within Pgytech. So once you make use of Pgytech CapLock system, then you can actually just mount your action camera to bike mount, motorcycle mount, car mount, any mount that you can name it. Which means you have a very solid sort of small selfie stick, travel-friendly tripod, but you can also make use of other action mounts by Pgytech. And with Pgytech, they do make a very solid product that I've shown you in so many of my other vlogs out there. And this one twist lock system, it allows you to go completely free with the degrees. So it can do 360-degree panning and also 35 degrees tilting. And there is a little dent, so you can also go vertical shooting as well, the portrait mode. So yes, you can go vertical like this, professional setup, because there's a little dent in the ball head. It can really go any direction. This MantisPod Pro can take up to 1 kilogram, so you don't have to actually just limit yourself to this little action camera. You can go to the bigger camera up to 1 kilogram for this MantisPod because it is very strong. So I've had a fun time playing with this Mantis Pro, and I can say this setup is just so brilliant, great, because with action camera, of course, you can go vlogging anywhere you like. It's so sturdy, it captures wide angle. So if you guys were looking for travel-friendly mini tripod that can power up your gear up to about 2.5 times, that is a lot, then I recommend you guys to check out the link down below for more information on this CapLock Mantis Power from Pgytech. And also, if you want to check out any other CapLock system out there, then do check the link down below, and I'll come back with other interesting vlog on tech gadgets. So see you.